Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a unique and fun way to shut down your Windows computer. It's called the Slide Shutdown feature, and it's not widely known but super handy for touchscreens and even regular PCs. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is Slide Shutdown? It's a hidden feature in Windows that allows you to turn off your computer by simply sliding your screen down. This is especially useful for devices with touchscreens, but it works just as well with a mouse. It's quick, sleek, and adds a cool factor to shutting down your system. The first step is to open the Run dialog box. You can do this by pressing Windows+R on your keyboard. Next, type the command slide to shutdown in the Run box and hit Enter. This command triggers the Slide Shutdown feature. Your screen will dim, and you'll see a pull-down interface appear. Now, simply slide the screen down with your finger or click and drag with your mouse. Your computer will begin shutting down immediately. It's that simple. If you want to use this feature more frequently, you can create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access. Here's how you can do that. First, right-click on your desktop and select New. Shortcut. In the Location field, type Slide to Shutdown, and then click Next. Give your shortcut a name, like Slide Shutdown, and click Finish. For a personalized touch, you can change the shortcut icon. Right-click on the shortcut, go to Properties, and click Change Icon. Choose an icon that fits, and click OK. Now, double-click your new shortcut, and voila! The Slide Shutdown interface appears instantly. Slide it down, and your computer will shut down gracefully. So what if you change your mind after the Slide Shutdown interface appears? Don't worry, it's easy to exit without shutting down your computer. Here's what to do. The simplest way to exit the Slide Shutdown screen is to press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will instantly close the interface and return you to your desktop. Alternatively, if you're using a touchscreen or a mouse, click or tap anywhere in the dimmed area below the slider. This cancels the shutdown and restores your screen to normal. You might wonder, why use this feature? Well, it's great for touch devices like tablets or laptops with touchscreens. It's also a cool trick to impress your friends or simplify the shutdown process. Plus, it's a built-in feature, so no third-party tools are required. If you tried Slide Shutdown but decided it's not for you, or want to prevent it from being accidentally activated, disabling it is super easy. Let me show you how. If you created a desktop shortcut, simply right-click on it and select Delete. This will remove quick access to the Slide Shutdown feature. Slide Shutdown is not a feature you can turn on or off. It's built into Windows. If you don't use the Slide to Shutdown command in the Run dialog or command prompt, it won't activate. To ensure it's not accidentally triggered, avoid associating it with keyboard shortcuts or buttons. Slide Shutdown doesn't run in the background or impact your computer unless you activate it, so there's no need to worry about it unless you specifically use it. Just delete the shortcut and you're good to go. And that's how you use Slide Shutdown on Windows. It's a simple yet cool way to shut down your PC. Have you tried Slide Shutdown before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This feature works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If it doesn't seem to work, ensure your system is updated. Also, remember to save your work before using this feature, as it shuts down the PC directly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.